Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. So Wednesday at work, we're having a supervisor meeting, and something that I know I can take that will be fine at room temperature is pizza. So I may have too much ingredients, but I'll just deal with it. I'm gonna make some pizzas that I can take and eat at room temperature. So I made the shells, or the base. It is just egg. There's no cheese. I didn't do the chicken thing. I just used my muffin tops with eggs. I took 9 eggs and whipped them up. And 9 eggs made 12 of these super duper flat little crusts. And so now this is 3 servings of the spaghetti sauce, and it's the Great Value organic one. It's 3 servings. I don't know, I may have pulled out too much, and if so, that's okay. I'll see how much is left, and I'll dock that from the total that I had planned, because it looks like I'm gonna have quite a bit left. But I'm going to make a bunch of little pizzas. And so this is going to make 3 servings right here. So it's going to be 4, 4, and 4. So I'll have 4 little pizzas each time I can eat it. And while this is in the oven, I'll see how much of the sauce is left over, so I can see what the actual macros for it all is. Again, I just whipped up the eggs like I do the egg muffins on the weekends. I just whipped up the eggs, and there's nothing else in the crust. I just did the things. I'm probably going to regret this. It's probably going to spill out all over as it heats up. And so this is 8 ounces of ground beef. And I did not have any pepperonis. I just had ground beef. Actually, I think I'm going to put the bacon down first on the rest of them. This is 42 grams of bacon pieces. What I did was I usually do 2 servings of bacon pieces, one whenever I do something, which is 14 grams. So then I took 14 grams times 3 servings. And that's how I came up with the amount. The cheese, I did a whole serving for, I did 3 whole servings. Alright, so there's the bacon. Now I'm just going to place this ground beef on here. I'm really surprised I did not use a glove. I kind of wish I had, but it's too late now. So I baked these in the muffin top pans. I baked them at 350. I think it was about 20 or 30 minutes. And then I pulled them out and I put them in this. And I baked it on 400 for about 10 more minutes to kind of stiffen them up a little bit. Either way, they're going to be soggy. But as I've said before, I like soggy pizza. I don't like the crispy kind. That's why I don't use the wraps that most people like to use. Those work great, and I have in the past, but I just have always preferred a thicker, soggier, I don't know if soggy is the right word, floppy, uncrispy, I don't know what you want to call it, kind of pizza crust. So now I'm going to divide this into some of that on all of them. I've got my oven preheating to 400. After I get this on, I will put some Italian seasoning on top of it. Like I said, these will be really good Wednesday for work, for my work conference. I will be able to just pull them right out of my thing. I won't have to worry if there's a microwave at the Civic Center. And there we go. Now, let me wash my hands. Hang on. Okay, so this is just Italian seasoning. I'm just going to do a couple turns on each of them. All right, I'm going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes and see how they look when they're done. It might be a big mess, but that's okay. I'm a messy person. Ooh, they look good, you guys. So yeah, I'll have 4 one day, 4 another day, and 4 another day. And I'll take those with me to my work daily. Yay! Oh, and the macros, hold on. 657 calories, 44.8 protein, 17 point, oh, God, I'm dyslexic sometimes. 12.7 total carbs and 47.1 protein. No, that's fat. Good night. Let me start over. 65.7 calories, 44.8 protein, 12.7 total carbs, and 47.1 fat. So I'm not going to taste them because I don't want to eat anything. It's 6:30 at night and I'm not hungry. So I will just let them cool off and then I'll put them in containers that I can take to work with me. And you'll see them on Wednesday.